Welcome to Dairy Nation TV, the home of knowledge, innovation, and success in modern dairy farming. Every day, thousands of farmers across the country are working hard to improve milk yields, raise healthy animals, and build profitable agribusiness. But many still struggle with feeding challenges, diseases, housing, and getting the right information. That's where we come in. Here at Dairy Nation TV, we bring you expert tutorials, trusted tips, real farm demonstrations, and practical solutions that any farmer can apply, from cow management to feed formulation, from zero grazing design to milk handling. We guide you step by step so you can transform your dairy farm no matter the size. Our mission is simple: to empower farmers with the knowledge that creates results. Whether you are a beginner or experienced dairy farmer, this channel is your partner in growth, innovation, and better milk production. So join us, learn with us, and grow with us. Because when farmers win, community win. Dairy Nation TV, empowering the future of dairy farming.